Hello everyone and welcome back. So let's create a custom template in SketchUp. Go to Styles, in Model, and you'll have the default simple style. So make a copy of the default style. Rename it Basic, and update the style. Now, let's go to Edit, Edge Settings, and Disable Profiles. Profiles can weigh down our work because they emphasize the outlines of major shapes in the model, but they'll be helpful later on when we start working with technical drawings. Now, go to Face Settings, and first, let's draw a shape and delete the top face to see the changes we'll be making. Then, change the color picker first to HSB, and let's set the back colors to 0050. Then go to Styles and make sure Display Shaded Using Textures is selected. Then, for background settings, turn off the sky and set the background color to 000100. Next, under Modeling Settings, let's draw a shape apply a section cut at the top face and move the section cut down to the middle. Then disable Section Fill. Alright, we can now notice the section line weight around the cut. So just set the line weight to 2. Now, enable Section Fill and set the color to 0045. And disable Section Plans. In the future, we'll have quick access to section tools through the toolbar here instead. Okay, finally, to save our basic style, let's go to Select, right-click on the style, and save it to your custom library.